we are not only here for giving them platform that okay, your face will be on the screen, that will be a great thing for you, right? You are paying and you are showing your face. We are not going to do that. We want to groom that for the industry if they have something in there. Like, if today I am a simple girl, I want to do something for my life. And I know that people, they call me, yeah, you have good face, you should try in that. But how? Nobody is there to save us. First of all, the safety. First of all, before the talent, we are seeking for the safety of them. We want to give them safety. I mean, I am there as jury, I will just, promise for the safety first. Because safety is must. And second thing, talent is like not only being dancing, you're doing dance and all like that. Whatever your achievement desire means, what you want to become, such things. Because few girls, they come only for the face show off. Because they want to put something on Instagram. But few will be, 3 of them, maybe, they will be greeting for their life, they will be seeking something in the film industry. So we will give them chance to be here, to put their potential as like celebrity. So that's the only things I'm just telling, that talent is just like, if you are coming to the industry, it's a talent. Because without that you cannot survive. People, how to communicate, where to go. Talent is not only like acting or this thing. Surviving is a much more basic concept. How you will conceptually, how you will greet them, how you will go ahead, how you will talk to the people, with whom you are safe, where you are going, with whom you are talking, what is the journal behind, everything we will be giving as a concept.
वास्तव में ये बोलना चाहूँगा कि मेरा नाम भी गलत बोला है, मतलब मिस्टेक हुआ है। मेरा नाम अविनाश रावत है। मैं एज एन असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर मैंने बॉलीवुड में बहुत सारे सीरियल्स, बहुत सारे वेब सीरीज में काम किया हूँ। उसके बाद एज ए डायरेक्टर मैंने अभी लेटेस्ट एक वेब सीरीज आया था जो कि ऑल ओवर इंडिया हिट हुआ था, जो कि पीस ए प्रेजर एक वेब सीरीज था, जो कि अभी आपका यहाँ पे तेलुगु में आया था। राम गोपाल जी का वेब सीरीज आया था डेविलेस, जिसके साथ कंटेस्टेंट हुआ था पीस ए प्रेजर। एंड आफ्टर दैट मैंने प्लान आउट किया कि मैं एक रियलिटी शो करने का प्लान आउट था मेरे दिमाग में। रियलिटी शो ऐसा है कि मैंने बहुत सारे रियलिटी शो देखा था, लाइक स्प्लिट्सविला देखा था, लाइक डांस इन इंडिया देखा था। तो सारी चीज़ों को देख के मेरे दिमाग में एक आया लड़कियों के लिए एक शो, जिसमें आप हिडन टैलेंट, जैसे कि सर ने पूछे कि टैलेंट क्या है इसके अंदर, इसमें टैलेंट का एक टैगलाइन है, टैलेंट को सिर्फ एक मौका चाहिए। वट एवर यू हैव टैलेंट यू कैन शोकेस योर टैलेंट। सो हम लोग ऐसा कर रहे हैं कि आपके पास जो भी टैलेंट है, लाइक आपके पास जो मॉडल है, मॉडल इन द सेंस अगर एम्पो हो गया, कटवर्क करता है तो वो मॉडल हो गया है आज के दिन में। लेकिन एक फोटोशूट, प्रॉपर फोटोशूट कैसे करता होता है, फोटोजेनिक मतलब बॉडी लैंग्वेज कैसा होना चाहिए, सारी चीज़ें जानना होता है। सेकेंडरी ये है कि यहाँ पे एक हमने एक न्यू थिंग्स ऐड किया हूँ, जिसमें बोला जाता है कि ये फाइट, लड़कियाँ अगर कोई भी अन रोड जाते हैं या फिर कहीं भी जाते हैं, अगर कोई भी सेफ्टी अपने को बोलते हैं तो उनको कैसा वो अपने को आप सेव करेंगे। तो इसमें हम लोग एक रखें, गेम का पॉइंट रखें। यहाँ पे भी एक प्रोटोकॉल है कि 1 मिनट 20 सेकंड के अंदर जो जिसको पहले लॉक करेगा वो हो जाएगा विनर। तो कैसा होगा, सपोज सामने वाला कोई अटैक करने जा रहा है तो कैसा जल्दी फटाक से उसको लॉक किया जाता है। तो सेल्फ डिफेंस इज द मोस्ट प्रायोरिटी इन न्यू थिंग्स इन दिस रियलिटी शो। एंड सेकेंडरी, ऑल ओवर इंडिया में जितना भी रियलिटी शोज हो चुका है, अभी तक इस तरह रियलिटी शो अभी तक के नहीं हुआ है कि ऑल रीजनल एक्टर एक्ट्रेस, जैसे एक्ट्रेस है जाके जूरी में एज ए जजेस बने। अभी तक कोई भी रियलिटी शो मैंने नहीं देखा, आप लोग शायद जानते होंगे कि मैंने नहीं देखा है। इन माई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, इन माई एक्सपीरियंस, मैंने ये सब सारी चीज़ें इंक्वायरी करके, सारी चीज़ें स्टडी करके मैंने रियलिटी शो दिया जिसका नाम है गोल्डन गर्ल। और इसमें मैंने तेलुगु, कन्नड़, बॉलीवुड एंड ऑल्सो फ्रॉम बंगाल इंडस्ट्री, पंजाब इंडस्ट्री, सारे इंडस्ट्री से ले लेकर मैंने एक जूरी, टॉप मोस्ट डाउन जूरी मैंने सिलेक्टेड किया हूँ। और इन जूरी को लेकर मैंने ऑडिशन स्टार्टअप किया, जैसे कि बैंगलोर। इन ऑल ओवर इंडिया में कहा जाता है कि बैंगलोर में सारे टैलेंट्स भरे पड़े हैं, सबसे ज़्यादा बैंगलोर में है।
वो थोड़े ये तो मिनी इंडिया है।
हाँ,
क्यों बोले तो
सब सारी चीज़ें बैंगलोर में है। उसके बाद आप देखा सेकंड दिल्ली है, थर्ड मुंबई। लेकिन सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि क्या करना है तुम्हें, बड़े पे क्या करना है, मुंबई जाना है। लेकिन आज के दिन में अगर कोई मॉडल्स को पूछता हूँ क्या करना है तो बैंगलोर जाना है। बिकॉज बैंगलोर जाना है। आज के दिन में मैं किसी को भी देखा हूँ कि पूछता हूँ कि भाई तुम क्या करना चाहते हो, तो मुझे मॉडल बनना है। तो मॉडल कहाँ, कहीं तो होगा ना जाने के लिए, तो बोलते हैं बैंगलोर जाना है। बिकॉज दे आर ऑल्सो नो दैट बैंगलोर इज द स्पॉट जहाँ पे हमें करियर बन सकता है।
Okay, sir. How many participants?
क्या पॉइंट सर ने पूछे थे कि चार्जेस रखे हैं पेड। बिकॉज ऑफ दैट हम लोग जो 52 कंटेस्टेंट को हम ले रहे हैं, फाइनलाइज कर रहे हैं, उनको हम ग्रूम करेंगे। उसके लिए फॉर दैट वी आर हायर अ ग्रूमर, सो दे विल टेक देयर चार्जेस and through online, and they can do through offline also. Then when we'll start auditions they can do
ऑनलाइन क्या है, नंबर है,
on the website that we can give a link.
वेबसाइट है, क्या है वेबसाइट है?
The golden girl @ the golden girl/bollywood.in.
Sir,
So
charge.
auditions Bangalore से हो रहा है, then up to Delhi, then Chandigarh, Ahmedabad, and Kolkata, then after Hyderabad after grand audition we are selecting top 500 people, and top 500 people से हम लोग सिलेक्शन करेंगे 52 कंटेस्टेंट, तो फाइनल राउंड कंटेस्टेंट, एंड देन 52 कंटेस्टेंट को हम लोग ग्रूम आउट करेंगे। आफ्टर ग्रूम आउट विल स्टार्ट एपिसोडिंग 12 एपिसोड,
Most probably
April 1st।
on which planet we are releasing.
We are just giving an opportunity. It's on you how you will grow with your talent. Like how, if I'm the producer, for example, I'm producing a talent. Like for example, I produce Alia Bhatt. Now she has a talent. I'm just giving an example, sir. So she has a talent. How she'll pursue a career. Either how she'll get the movies, how she'll get all the project, how she'll endorse any kind of shows or shoots. So it's on them. We'll just give the platform. Like it's the show, you show us talent. We are taking you as a contestant, like in 52, and we'll groom you. Now it's on you. You show your talent to the world. That's how it will work, sir. So we are not fake promising anyone. There is no hidden fees. There is no hidden things. There is no hidden casting. There is nothing. Everything is very clear. Everything is very fair. Everything is on you, sir. So we just want students should come, participants should come. Like they should participate, and then we'll judge them. Once they're selected, then we'll just groom them. So that's their show.
What is the entry age?
Entry Hilltop is
Entry age.
age is 18 to 33.
80 to
33. Yes.
33.
Yes.
So here one thing I want to add, that so many questions is all about like this show where it will go to release and all. So why we are just quiet right now, because people sometimes what they say, no, it's a fake. First thing comes to the parents' mind, if the children they go to their parents, I want to participate in that, Papa, Mama, please do help me, or maybe from their pocket money. So from their friends, from their colleagues, from their parents, they will get one line, it's a fake, don't go for this. You don't want. So that's why we don't want to keep our price very low. If we will put it like 499 or 700 something, people will think, "Arey yaar, 500 rupees they want to add in," and they will, do this fake programming like that. So that's why the charges are royalty price. See, the Miss India and Mrs. India and Mr. India, when they are happening, they are asking for 2,000, 3,000 for their registration fees. So what's the promise they are giving the crown to the everybody? But here we are coming with the promises, no fake ideas, nothing. Our price are very royal, and we are telling only 399. आज का बच्चा 1,000, 100 तो अपने पास रखता ही रखता है. Everybody keeps 1,000 in their pocket. So we are not charging as like out of focus. We are charging because if sometimes what happen now, I will tell you my example. If I go to the shopping mall na, and if I see the thing like from the local market, a jacket I am buying only for 100 rupees, I will say, yaar 100 rupees में मैं jacket ले लेती हूँ, I will buy this one. But when I see after washing the quality is dissolved, like quality is gone, no promise, no nothing. But I go for the Viro Moda or any other brand, I am not endorsing here. So if any brand if I am wearing, so I can wear for the Yes. I'm Kim Khaira. I'm a Telugu actress. I've done Tamil and Kannada also. And I'm into movie industry. And I'm here to announce my show name is The Golden Girl. So please come forward and do participate. We are here to promise you, to give you a great platform to become something, to achieve something, and rest you will find out soon. Thank you so much.
How to enroll?
You can enroll on our website. So website will be given by the links, whatever we will give. So thank you so much.
Say about the talent of the
Pardon, sir?
talent.
Talent?
You said about some talent.
Yeah, so it's just like we are here to give something to girls, you know. Nowadays, what is happening, like people, they are just going fakeful, like, you know, they are not able to do something for their life right now. And girls, they are just looking for something to get participate into, like if I have something in my life, like I want to become actress or any TV artist or anything. So this is the platform, give you confidence and your safety and everything. You with a safe thing, you can go ahead, you know, in the modeling industry or movies. So you will go by this platform, you will gain the name, fame, everything we are providing you. As such, we are giving you the great platform as a reality show. You will be the face of the journey and everything you will be finding in your hand, right? And most of the things we will tell in the show, that how you will groom yourself. We will give you the grooming partners and everything. And we are here to announce the most promising show, which is like Golden Girl, and you will be here with no regret. Okay? And I'm really thanking you so much.
Bollywood industry actually. I've done so many shows, so many shoots, but I'm here to give an opportunity. I'm no one, but I'm doing the show which is The Golden Girl. So please girls, do enroll yourself and make sure that you are becoming the Golden Girl. And obviously, every girl wants to know that path.
Say that for especially girl or especially.
Yeah, especially girls, actually especially girls. So they don't know actually how to interfere in our industry, because they know Instagram. I know it's a very easy way to go and make reels and all. I do agree in that, but in our show we'll be giving you grooming and we'll be giving you acting, modeling, dancing, and every kind of grooming you want. So see, I think confidence is the key to success, and that's how we'll work in that. We'll give you confidence, you give us talent, and will you make you star. That's how it works.